Alrighty folks, to cover today. We are turning ourselves into a unicorn using this blue brush to jab along my forehead, get a little bit of in your hair. You don't want to miss any spots. Now hit the cheekbones in a downward fashion. Sing a little Cardi B most likely. Point to another color I can't distinguish. Rub it all over my forehead yet again. Jab, 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 jab. Rub, rub, rub. Get a little more in the hair and on the eyebrow. Get a nice contour around the cheekbones. Again, a little more. Okay, again, now we got blue spark glitters. Looks like we got add a little pizzazz to this to match the unicorn's actual horn. Okay, and pink box that says vulgar. That looks like it just does a little bit of the something or other along the forehead and the cheekbone. Add a little pop that you may or may not be able to notice. I'm not quite sure. Take a little break here, rub a little more in stuff that doesn't actually do anything. Hit the eyelid. Here we got a little pink tint. I think we may have switched colors there, folks. I'm not 100% sure. A little more pink tint around the eyebrows. Green. Add a little green to the eyelid, I believe they call that. And just a little tad at the end to give it a nice little zingarooski when you're batting your eyelashes to the boys at the nightclub. Alright, just a little bit more on the inside. Really jab it into your eye so you can barely see. Okay, now add a little white to the tip. Okay, again, a little more white. I think just hopefully going to do both eyebrows here. I'm not quite sure. Let's just do one. Alright, pink to the tip there on both sides on this go around. Alright, nice skinny little pen. Got to get deep in the eyeball there, get a little on the cornea, and then go ahead and line it with your nose. Cover up maybe, in case you fall down on your face or get any boogers, they will be covered up by this purple. Rub, rub. Now switch back to another color, I'm not quite sure, and get it all in your eyebrows to really bring out that full unicorn. Alright, now we got a little bit for the under the eye. I'm not quite sure. Oh, and then now along the chin line. That really highlights makes that chin pop right off of that neck in case you got a little bit too much beef down there. Add the sparkles in here. I'm hoping this is maybe a finishing touch. And a little flame throwing pin there to put along your lips. I think that is going to about wrap this look up here, folks, and we got ourselves a beautiful unicorn.